The brand I chose for my ad is Vans Off the Wall. They make really comfortable, awesome shoes. The ad campaign is for their all-weather MTE model of shoes, promoting adventure, comfort, and style in any season or weather. This is the original ad. Um, Vans Off the Wall up here, designed for the elements down here. A few of the different things that I highlighted in the original ad are obviously the design of the ad. Um, One thing that I really like that they did is because it's designed for the elements, they have the elements in the ad. As you can see, they have there's a puddle down here. They got water all over the shoe because the shoes are waterproof and you can take them anywhere. But I also really like that the font that they used and the typography they used has also looked like it's been wet. Like it looks like it's wet paper. It really adds um, that extra flair to the ad. Um, that is really designed for all the elements, and also you can kind of see here in the Vans Off the Wall. It's rough, like it is like these concrete steps in the background. It really works well. The next thing I chose to look at was color. There's obviously not much color in the ad. There's the white font and logo that they used with the white shoelaces, and then there's this sort of gray cement color, and then like this purple color of the shoes, making the shoes really stand out because it can contrast the rest of the ad. The other thing is that typography I kind of talked about. It shows the elements, and it's all in capitalized letters, really standing out, hitting you in the face. This is the new ad I created, Vans Off the Wall, designed for any adventure. I tried to take a picture. This is a picture I took of my own MTE shoes, and I tried to take a picture that would also show sort of the elements that these shoes can be used in. There's a fire pit, there's dust on the shoes, um, and there's sort of this dusty rock and fire pit, kind of showing again the adventure that these shoes can go on with you. Another thing I tried to do was find a font that was similar to that one. The other one looked like it had been um, wet, like there were raindrops on it. Um, this one kind of looks like it's rough, like this stony background where the feet are resting. Um, the words kind of, the typography looks like it's rough as well, rough around the edges, and you can kind of see through it here. And so that kind of worked together. I think this is an ad that's really consistent with the ad campaign. It doesn't use very much color. Most of the background is the same sort of color of the brick and the stone. Really, the most colorful part about the ad is the shoes, really highlighting those. And there's also use of the elements. You can see faded and dusty shoes up here, as well as sort of a faded, dusty kind of background. And that's really why I think it does a good job of being consistent with the ad, mostly using the elements on the shoes and in the background is a great way to keep it there and show people that they can really take these shoes anywhere on any adventure.